What book are you reading, Finn?
He's caterpillar. Caterpillar. There's some caterpillar. Caterpillar hungry.
He is a hungry caterpillar.
He look out for food.
He's looking out for food.
And one day he met strawberries.
One day he munched on a strawberry.
Oh. There's 2 oranges.
Oranges, yummo.
There's 2 oranges.
2? Can you count the oranges? I think there's a few more than 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, there are 5 oranges.
What did Mommy do?
I kicked the drawer by accident.
One day, remember, one day he got a flower. He munched all the flowers up.
He munched all the flowers up. What happened on Saturday? On Saturday when he ate through all of that?
Lollipop! Chocolate!
What else did he eat?
Lollipop! And a Cheerio.
A pie and a Cheerio. What else?
And a muffin.
And a muffin. And what else?
A